Well, Miss Bella, instead of swimming in her little water dish, she can swim in this big tray now, which she loves. Come on, Mr. Blue, get in there. Join your sister. No, don't lift it up. Look at that. Come on, go in there. Oh my God, she is laying down. That's the warm water we put in there for her. Come on, Mr. Blue, go in there. Oh, she's gonna have fun going to the dunes. Mr. Blue, don't lift it up. Where's Mr. Orange? Get him in here. Bella, you are soaked. Well, it's wet. Gingy, come on. Go join your sister. Oh, there you go. See, that's what you need. You need a squeaky toy in there. Gingy! Oh boy. You got a gate on? You got the gate in the room. Go get your toy. You know, a couple of fishes on the bottom if we would stick to it. Those stick-on fishes. What are they? Oh, brother. And they already played today with the water because Matt took him outside in the backyard. She is wet. What? You got a t-shirt on. I can't do that. I know. She's going again for more. Nope, maybe not. That's not her, is it? No, it's not. It's orange. Oh, Mr. Blue is going tomorrow. What? She is. She's soaked. Look at that. A soaked, wet puppy we having. Mr. Orange, come on. Look at that. A soaked, wet puppy we having. And she's happy puppy. Mr. Orange, it's a camera string. I can't do the pictures. Can't take a movie when you're chewing on a camera. Hey, cutie. That's a too close-up of you, yes. That's a too much of a close-up. Come on, let go. Let go. Go. Come on, let go. You look what you're doing. Come on, let go. Ouch, 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 ouch. Who's eating it raw? Ouch, ouch. That hurts. Why are you biting me? No, Mr. Orange is going home tomorrow. I'm sorry. Our beautiful Mr. Orange is going home tomorrow. Mr. Orange. Yeah, you're going home tomorrow. Yes. You are, sweetie. To your new mama. Yes. I know. Oh, Bella. Do you want swimming? Oh, look who I got. Mr. Owen's going to try to move that. Come on, get in. Come on, get in. Get in. No. You don't want to get in? Huh? Mr. Blue, you gonna go in? Are you gonna go in? No? Maybe? Come on, go in. Ah, there goes Bella. Yeah, I know what to do. Yeah. And needless to say, this is like 8:30 in the evening. She's gonna be sleeping good.